Welcome to our class. Our Igbo phrase and short sentence for you today is no onye nkuzi, which means welcome teacher. Put somebody's name in the brackets and tell the person no. Maybe his name is Mike. No, Mike. And haven't told me no as your teacher. What will be my response? I say daalụ or imeela nwata akwụkwọ, which means thank you, student. So go ahead and put somebody's name up there and say no to the person. No, Mike. No, Onyinye. And look for somebody that has done something good for you today and say daalụ or imeela to the person. Maybe his name is Mike. Say daalụ, Mike. Imeela, Mike. Imeela, Chinedu. And continue to practice this each day as we roll them in, because that is the only way you can become a speaker of Igbo language. We're going to give you in bits, day by day, short phrases and sentences from today. So stay tuned. And for you not to miss any part of it, we'll advise you to go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share these videos. God bless you and see you in the next video.